No, I do not want. Let the report be given to the petitioner because petitioner doesn't know what is there in the report.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Well, one point was taken that we are not teaching the regular subject.
Yes,
He was, he saw him, my lord.
yes, he mentioned what matter. Whether the petitioners are serving against substantive posts or not.
I have taken instructions, but your lordship recorded that he is supposed to take the instruction. I have taken instructions.
I have
and we are
also
not
come up
working a
with,
substantive post.
my lord, I have also come back with instructions, my lord. Firstly, it was submitted that we are not teaching regular subjects, my lord. My lord, this is a curriculum of the department, my lord. Kindly see the right hand.
What do you teach?
My lord, this particular subject, some teach Bengali, mathematics, my lord.
Those are
Kindly see.
vocational, not regular subjects.
No, these are vocational mathematics, vocational. In vocational stream, we teach regular Bengali, regular mathematics and subjects. And my lord, see, kindly see the syllabus of 10+2. That is what I produce before your lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see. ভাই সিলেবাসটা বার করে দাও যেটা ওখানে
Any instruction, Mr. De?
My lord, is appointments, my lord. So far, the notifications are in their engagement. It says that there is no work on this point of any substantive post. Moreover, my lord, kindly perusal page 24 of the writ application. How it has been fabricated and how, my lord, this is on state part, Mr. Bandyopadhyay will, and that the headmaster, how the headmaster can modify an appointment letter and issued in a duplicate 25th, 2025. First, my lord, kindly see
One minute. Page 24 is not a proper document.
Engagement is part-time.
yes, it is written first time.
Part-time, how it can be substantive post for a part-time? It is for ad hoc appointment. No, the feature of any substantive post are attributed to this. Next,
What according to you is a substantive post?
there should be a scale fixed. There should be a benefit, but there is only or ad hoc appointment to run.
What
the
according to you is a substantive
is the
post?
regular teachers, like the regular teachers, the post is sanctioned. The post is created for a particular school or centers. It is created by the government. Here only this engagement to run the VTCs. No manner of any substantive nature has ever been given sanctioned by the government. Now this is a part-time, and next one, page 26. How the headmaster can say is modifying with reference
Page 24 is from
part-time.
IOMS.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, RUMS, Kaushik Roy, remuneration detail, engagement status.
Yes, part-time. It is
Part-time.
mentioned
Next,
part-time. So
part-time.
where is the fake thing you say?
No, next
Page
one.
26.
Next, page
26?
26. Not fake, but how the is when modified, he manage the headmaster. He says
27, 26 and 27.
2026. 26. With reference to the you are hereby requested to join in the said substantive post in which we have never been into this kind of appointment where headmaster is.
All right, this is
Next.
not.
Similar one is page 28. This part-time.
27 also.
27 also.
Third line.
Yes.
The substantive post.
This headmaster should buy an affidavit.
What do they teach? Mathematics. Page 27 teaches mathematics.
Vocational.
Vocational. My lord,
The
that-
vocational teacher.
That is only restricted to the VTC, Vocational Training Center.
Yes.
And these are not compulsory subjects also.
Will they not get the teaching experience?
No, they are not working as any substantive post. They are not teaching any compulsory subject. They are not in a sanctioned post also. But my learned friend is absolutely correct. Let these headmasters who have issued these, maybe for the good of the teachers, I do not go into the intention, but let them come and give an affidavit that they are working in a substantive post. We'll take it up from there.
My lord, what
No,
is
you
substantive
bring it up.
post, my lord? May I learn?
government has ever sanctioned. It is for the government to say none of we are from the council only. We can only just allot the fund after getting it from the government. but none of the, we have been ever instructed.
You allot funds to the petitioner, you pay salary,
So that is for the VT centers. And then
center pays.
center-
Pays our salary.
And
that may come, that is for ad
That
hoc.
may come.
where from is the money coming? Who's paying the salary of the teachers?
The salary of the teachers obviously is coming from the government fund.
Yes,
Schools
from the
are-
school
schools are
fund.
paying, schools are paying.
No, schools are paying is different, and one thing is
No, you don't say school, you say center. School and center.
No, it is a vocational training center.
In a
It is
school.
attached with the school.
It is in a school.
Regulars class, and whoever opts for the vocational subject, vocational higher secondary, they will be through these vocational training centers. And all their nature are the part-time, someone is contractual, is part-time, and ad hoc fund is allotted, that is of 2006 government notification, there's a lump sum is allotted.
If there is no fund, they will not teach.
Yes.
And they do not get any proper pay scale.
No scale is there. Ad hoc, only on ad hoc consolidation.
But for example, your lordship may take one of the appointment letters, engagement letters at page 34. It's the wordings will give a clear picture, Malad. But if I may place it in its entirety, engagement, this is one Rajkrishna De, engagement to the post of contractual teacher for the subject of MPAP.
Anyway, no
I-
use going into all these things. It is for the commission to decide whether
Well,
it
may
is
I,
a
my lord?
course or
Only
not.
one thing, my lord.
The commission says it is not a substantive post. Now the court is deciding
My lord, only one thing.
the
Firstly,
rules
it
and
is-
everything, 10 marks
firstly-
you'll get or not.
I don't understand where the petitioner has committed any fake or fraud. I don't
No,
understand.
no fake or fraud.
Kindly see the Malad.
Secondly,
Second bullet point of page
admittedly-
30.
admittedly, my lord, I am working as a part-time teacher and my salary is being paid from the exchequer, government exchequer. Now, my lord, only question which boils down to what is substantive post. My lord, it has been specifically stated by the Supreme Court what is a substantive post and what is to be taken.
See, the rule is under challenge, so right now it's no use going into all these things.
Well, 90.
1984 SCC 226. My lord, here, my lord, Supreme Court says that whether temporary, whether part-time, it doesn't matter. The capacity in which, if the
1981
appointment is a regular appointment, process is a regular process, and it has been approved by a competent authority, it is a substantive capacity. The person holds the post in a substantive capacity. And in my case, my lord, all the three criteria are being fulfilled.
Whether prior teaching experience marks can be allotted in favor of vocational teachers.
Yes.
This is the issue.
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Please come.
And my lord, on the last occasion, I have also placed a judgment passed by your lordships that vocational teachers are entitled to 10 marks for experience in respect of the last selection process.
All right.
Last selection of the 10 marks children.
2021 in 12th
2011.
and 2011, 12th LST.
So teaching experience was there. You are
The
accepting. that.
petitioners are
So in Bengal, it was there. You are accepting that part at least.
vocational teachers.
Yes, in Bengal it was there.
So
It was
they
separate.
participated in
10%
the
It was reserved for
second SLST, 2025. Stop. They seek marks on account of prior teaching experience. Respondents, comma, prior teaching as the petitioners do not teach in substantial posts, comma, they will not be entitled to marks
My lord, I am appearing for
prior
the
teaching
school
experience.
service commission.
ঠিক আছে? The issue as to whether vocational teachers can be treated to be teaching in substantive posts or not, enabling them to be awarded marks on account of prior teaching experience is to be decided. Stop. The process of credential verification and thereafter interview will follow. Stop. The as the issue is under active consideration by the court, accordingly, any steps taken in the recruitment process shall abide by the result of the writ petition. Let us see what can be done. Do you all want to file a report or affidavit, something?
Malad affidavit we may file, but Malad any steps taken Malad vis-a-vis Malad the petitioners kindly.
Petitioners, vis-a-vis the petitioners, definitely not for all. Yes,
His voice is breaking up. I think.
Network.
let the commission, the commission, comma, the state and the
Council.
vocational, now West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development file a report with regard to their stand, report by way of an affidavit with regard to discussing their stand within a period of by 12th. Huh?
Note करके रखो report देना.
It will be open for the petitioners to file exception to the same.
But we will also find. We will also.
Sir, time has been given to you.
Calling.
Release the matter for further consideration on 23rd of December.
But we will also.
Third man. Can it
It cannot be done.
Am I audible to your lord?
Your sound is breaking, sir.
Am I audible?
By that time it may come to an end, my lord, every process.
Maybe, but then since the court is in scene of the matter, let us see what happens.
राहुल के तो बोला था उधर होना अच्छा ना
What is the next one?
मेरा नहीं है.
But for the petitioner, this is regarding mismatch in the model answer key and the question. Last occasion, Lordship directed the commission to come with a report. Before that, my lord, I have a specific I have a specific submission to make in this regard. My lord, while going through the issues, various issues, we found 3 types of irregularities. One is when there is
Honorable.
2 options are possible. One has been considered, one has not been given importance in terms of the text. One category. Second category is the question itself is wrong or the model answer are not commensurate with the question or it is out of syllabus. 2. Third category is that when there could be a definite answer but the marks has been given to all. These are the 3 basic categories. Before your lordship takes it up, I request only one page to take, page 74. There is one anomaly, it has been indicated subsequently. Kindly take page 74 for once. This is the final model answer key. It is beginning the, my lord, kindly see the final model answer written, page 74. 74, kindly see, there is something I found out that 75. Kindly come to page 75. Just take for example, my lord, the left hand side column, marks on attempt, lordship has found. Marks on attempt, then marks to all. Marks to all, marks on attempt. But a very pertinent question comes today. Why marks to attempt and marks to all? What is the difference? Why 2 separate expressions have been used? Now, meaning there, by my understanding is, marks on attempt means this question has to be attempted. Whatever answer you give, you get marks. 1. Now, marks to all. That means, irrespective of I attempt or not, anybody can get marks. Otherwise, these 2 separate expressions would not have been used in the model answer key. But going by this, whoever even leaves these questions would be entitled for marks. That cannot be permitted in a public recruitment process. Why these 4 questions? If I take one, this commensurate with 2, 3 questions are like this of marks to all. Marks to attempt is a different connotation altogether. My lord, I understand marks to attempt can be given or marks to all can be given to candidates where the question is disputed.
All right, let me hear them.
And
what
this
does
category
mean?
of, and only one thing, my lord, last occasion, lordship wanted to see the objections I handed over. It was not inadvertently with the part of the writ petition. This is the preliminary objection I submitted. Which
This has to come by way of.
last occasion, your lordship directed to give the copies to Mr. Singh. I had handed over. To Mr. Singh. He had received. Yes, I sent it through what he asked me to give through WhatsApp. I sent that your lordship only wanted to see whether I had raised objection, and my lord, so far my questions are concerned, 2 are out of syllabus, 2 there are definite answers, where option A and C both are correct, but option C has been taken. Another question where option A and D both are correct, only option A has been taken. Two question out of syllabus where all answers to be correct, but only one model answer has been taken. And my lord, rest two, there could be only specific answer C, but A and C both have been taken by diminishing the competitive edge and the level playing field. Now, my lord, the rule, it is very important, my lord, just one line of the rule is very important. If your lordship kindly takes for once one line, I will just show, kindly come to rule 11 for once. 11 Roman 5. Lordship has found Roman 5.
Yes.
But kindly see what is the language of the statute. The Central Commission shall publish in its official website preliminary model answer keys after the written test and may invite suggestions and or objections from the applicants. So the legislative intent was very clear, not only suggestions at the discretion of the authorities, suggestions and or objections, both word has been used very specifically, not only suggestions but objections when there are specific answers. Now kindly take the proviso. It says, provided that suggestions or objections must be submitted within 5 days after publication of such model answer keys and should be supported by at least 2 authentic academic publications. I have done so. But I pose this question to myself. What is the purpose of obtaining the books, textbooks, taking the objections and taking fees for it? If you do not entertain these individual questions, if you decide on your own, I pose this question to myself.
1 minute, they were directed to revert with a report.
Yes.
Is the report there?
The report is ready, but it is being affirmed, I'm told. Number one, and we'll circulate the report, may it be taken up on Wednesday, Thursday.
All right, that is all right. But then page 74 of the writ petition, the final model answer key is annexed. What does this mean?
75.
Marks to all and marks on attempt. Page 75, you'll get it.
We'll have to take instructions and come back.
Does marks to all mean that there is no requirement of answering? No. That means marks to all, 1, 2. 2 marks will be given to everybody who appears in the examination.
Yes. Appears so.
You have to answer any one of it.
I didn't get it.
Assuming a marks to all situation subject to correction, it presupposes someone has to answer that particular question, albeit wrongly, so as to enable him to get that full marks.
No, that means marks on attempt. What is the difference?
We'll have to come back. We'll have to come back.
My humble submission, this is a
I have to come back.
manner to do charity to candidates.
Bandyopadhyay is
Marks.
Brother, I am appearing this, brother.
Yes,
Brother,
please.
I am appearing.
This is
Am I
item
audible,
number
brother?
2.
Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
No. Brother, there is a report, your lordships will find it.
Yes,
We
the
have-
report is not handed over.
Because it has not yet been affirmed as yet.
Alright.
There is a huge cloud. What has happened, I can just tell your lordships. In short, I am telling you.
No,
That-
I do not want. Let the report be given to the petitioner because petitioner doesn't know what is there in the report.
Correct.
He needs to come back. Only
Yes.
one query. If you please come to page 75 of the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
This is the final model answer. There are, apart from the marks, there are certain words written. Marks to all and marks on attempt. What is the difference and what does the two mean?
My lord, if it is an out of syllabus, then marks to all.
That means out of syllabus.
Marks out of syllabus, they have marked, they have attempted, then in that case they will get it. Anyway, my lord, I will get the more clarification, I will come back. That would be better.
In that
Yes.
case, there are two questions where there are out of syllabus. That two had to be considered as marks to all. Then
No, out.
Those are not the ones reflected over here.
yes.
Marks to all 32,
Yes,
is it an out of syllabus question?
32, I tell you, Lordship, this is, that would be,
Milord,
this is,
question is Milord, whether in the preliminary objection, he has raised the objection or not.
Yes, he has.
He has not raised the objection in all the questions that we are discussing
this
in
is
the
not correct.
affidavit. Well, no, I am not correct. You are only correct, brother. Allow me to
Some
speak.
report directed to be filed by the commission
One thing, 4th is the date of,
is yet to
Really?
be placed on record.
this order of your Lordship.
Stop. Let a copy of this, let a copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioners for reverting with an exception. Stop. Release the matter on 10th of December.
My lord,
Certain matters are fixed on 10th.
The various, my lord, 4th is the date of verification. Your Lordship has granted some relief in the previous matter.
That relief will remain.
That is abide by the result of the,
Yes.
I have handed over the copy of your Lordship's order.
And you please file a supplementary annexing
Very
this
well.
because
Yes,
the
I-
submission is that
Yes,
you have not filed your objection.
I'll clarify. May
It
I,
is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit annexing document to show that objection was raised.
Well,
And
we are annexing his objection in our report itself.
I will also do it.
What
I'll also
he
do
is
it.
saying
So I
in the
need to-
Milord, we will show what he has been pleaded in the writ petition that is not correct in every cases when
I'll
our
show
report will
in
come.
my supplementary.
He is
Correct.
going on something basis. His
Supplementary
objection is
affidavit?
something.
Yes, yes, yes.
to be prepared and circulated by 4th.
My lord, that relief may be given, my lord. This abide by the result. Otherwise, I'll be, that order your Lordship passed. It was not there in the previous because today your Lordship fixed it because
All
4th
right,
is
please
there.
come. It has been submitted that the process of credential verification and interview is on. Stop. Next. As the matter is being adjudicated by the court, comma, any steps taken by the commission in respect of the petitioners shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
Grateful. My lord, may I
Take
take
this
back? May I
document
take
back.
back? May I take back?
Eta okay dilo, please